In the last 3 months, I have my first e-commerce shop, and using TikTok, I've been selling car accessories online. Now, I've generated thousands of dollars worth of sales using TikTok, and this isn't about advertising or having a million followers. This is about being a regular person and using TikTok to generate e-commerce sales. Follow along as I show you the 3 steps that you need to make sure you're doing to sell products on TikTok. There are 3 steps to sell products with your TikTok. 1, your TikTok video. This is the piece that captures attention. 2, your promotion. This is the discount or offer that drives them to your website. And 3, and finally, your online shop. This is where people purchase your product. So let's deep dive into each one of these steps. So let's analyze the customer journey from TikTok video to purchasing on your e-commerce shop. Howdy guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install a hat holder in your car or four-wheel drive. The most important thing is the hook. The hook should be at the beginning of your video and capture the audience's attention and entice them to watch the entire video. The next important thing is we deliver on the hook by telling a story and, being honest. In this case, I use audio to keep the video interesting. Finally, at the end of the TikTok, we hit them with the promotion or the discount or the offer. In this case, it's a price discount. They work really well to then encourage visitors to go back to our e-commerce shop and check out our product online there. So here we are guys on the website. I'm showing you on the mobile device because keep in mind, most people are shopping on mobile devices now. So it's best to view your online shop through a phone to actually work out how easy it is to purchase. So let's go through and have a look how I've optimized this shopping page to convert, anywhere from 2 to 5%, which is really good. So starting at the top, we have plenty of photos of the product in use with different aerials, different angles, and that just makes it really easy so people can see and know that the product is going to work as promised. Scrolling down, immediately you have 4 reviews, all of them 5 stars. This is really good. It shows that there is social evidence that people have purchased it and reviewed it and they like the product, which is cool. We've actually got the product on discount permanently, and the idea behind that is that it gives the incentive for regular people that the product is on sale right now, and if you don't purchase it now, then you might lose that money. So that is just another way of pushing people. We then have a description. This isn't that important, but what is really important, as we scroll down further, I address any questions that people might have around the product. You can see I discuss the installation method. I have all the frequently asked questions here, from payment options to shipping, to returns, to customer service, it's all in here. I then have a video, so if you want to watch a video about the product, you can do that. I then have a more in-depth description here, nicely formatted, so that people can understand it and really deep dive into the product. And you might wonder, why do you have all of this information underneath your product? And the reason for that is, this is amazing for SEO. All this tech, and then the more photos here, all this content, what this does is, it helps you and your e-commerce shop rank #1 in Google. So let's cut across to Google and have a look. Sure enough, we type in car hat holder, and what comes up #1? Me. So guys, I'm serious. Don't mess about when you come to optimizing your store, because this can make or break your whole campaign from TikTok through to your online shop. Make sure you have all of these elements of social proof, photography, in situation use. Really cover all of those bases that I've talked about here, and you should be good. Now guys, the last thing I want to show you before we wrap up this video is, so far you've learned how to create a cool TikTok, how to optimize your e-commerce checkout shopping or your e-commerce product page. The last thing you need to have a look at is how hard or how easy it is to purchase your online product. So here I am, I'm going to add mine to cart and see if it's actually difficult or simple to check out for this process. So once I add it to cart, it automatically takes me to the checkout page. From here, we can add in a discount code that we talked about earlier, which should still be valid. It's no longer valid. I think there's a code called Luke10. Let's try that. Nope. Anyway, put your code in there, it should work. We can then check out with Apple Pay, and there you go. That's how easy it is to do it, guys. So my website's really easy. If we want to check out with our credit card like this, we can do that too. And all our information's in here. So guys, that's the last thing to check with your online shop, is that if it's easy to check out, then you're a winner. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you've learned something, leave a comment, give us some love. Thanks so much, guys.